Okay, this is a great problem because it's really pretty straightforward. You'll be able to see it, I'm sure, as soon as I lay it out if you don't already see it. What we're going to do here is split this up into two pieces and find the areas and add them together. So we've got this square, which is 8 by 8, which means if we multiply the length times the width, we get 64 centimeters squared. Okay. Now, we need to figure out the area of this triangle. Well, what we've got here is this length here as a base, and what is that length? Well, if the whole thing is 14, and we've already used 8 of it to get from here to here, then 14 take away that 8 we already used is 6 centimeters. Okay, and then we've got a height, of course, this side, which we already know because it's the side of the square, is 8 centimeters. So we've got a triangle that measures 6 by 8, and if we multiply them together, 6 times 8 is 48, and we always take a half, 24 centimeters squared. And then all we have to do is add those two amounts together. The square part of it is 64, the triangular part of it is 24, and when we add them together, we get 88. And what are the units? They are centimeters squared. And that is all we need to do. That's the answer. And if we look down on the bottom, that is answer B. Let's bubble it, and we're done.